Hi, I'm Mikaela, a registered dental hygienist who's obsessed with all things oral care and making people feel confident about their smile. So Quip just launched 2 types of whitening strips, and honestly, I've been loving them. Rapid is my go-to when I have a big event, like a wedding or anywhere where people are gonna be taking photos. Rapid uses hydrogen peroxide for fast, noticeable results. Ritual is for everyday whitening. It's peroxide-free, subtle, easy to add to your everyday oral care routine, and has similar results to Rapid. It just takes a little longer to get there. Let's walk through how it works. You're gonna wanna brush and floss your teeth first and wait 30 minutes before applying whitening strips. This removes plaque from your teeth and gives your freshly cleaned enamel a chance to settle. Each packet contains 1 strip. Grab 2 if you are whitening both the top and bottom teeth. First, lick your teeth so the strip really sticks. Apply 1 at a time, covering as much enamel as possible, making sure to avoid your gums. Then, lick again. They are made with coconut oil and mint, so my mouth feels so fresh. My favorite part? They dissolve in just 15 minutes. No removing, no mess. I'll throw them on when I do my nighttime skincare routine. And that's it. So I'd love to know, what's your choice? Rapid or Ritual? JK, what kind of dental hygienist would I be without a few whitening strips pro tips? Avoid coffee, tea, red wine, and acidic foods for the first 48 hours after whitening. If you can't resist, use a straw. Always check in with your dentist before applying whitening strips. Even better, get a dental cleaning for best possible results. Now, the whitening strips can do their thing.